Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the environment. Make sure you have at least 20% free disk space, or about 20 gigabytes, and plug the PC into power. Once done, connect to a stable Ethernet or a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for reliability. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click Check for updates and let Windows download. You do this now, so you have the latest files available before attempting fixes. It prevents interrupted installs and saves time. You continue by repairing the update pipeline. Open an elevated command prompt and stop Windows Update services, WServe, bits, crypt SVC, and MSI server, so files are not in use. Once stopped, rename the software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders. This forces Windows to recreate fresh update caches. After that, run dism with /online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. Then run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files. These steps rebuild the update mechanism and resolve most corruption-related failures. You finish by restarting the services you stopped earlier and rebooting the PC, then immediately recheck for updates inside Windows Update. If updates still fail, run the built-in troubleshooter from Settings Update and Security Troubleshoot, and reset network adapters or temporarily disable third-party antivirus. If problems remain, create Windows 10 installation media and perform an in-place upgrade repair. It preserves your files and apps while replacing corrupted system components. Key tip: if not
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.